Invite our new members to please stand and raise your right hand if you want to be a member. Kung inyo mamarapatin. Nandito rin po siya on the screen. You may also repeat after me. Sa mga new members po, please raise your right hand. So these are the 10 commandments of Actor. Thou art yourself. Please repeat after me. Thou art yourself. Exercise your rights. Vote and be heard on matters of importance. To the organization. Every voice counts. We stand for democratic processes. Thou shalt not use the name Actor to pursue your selfish and vested interests.
Thou shalt not use the name Actor to pursue your selfish and vested interests.
Thou shalt not misinterpret. Remember to keep schedules and deadlines. And attend to your organizational commitments dutifully. Be a team player. Honor other members regardless of their age, faith, gender preference, and political beliefs and affiliation. Let us celebrate each other's uniqueness. Thou shalt not kill ideas and enthusiasm. And instead encourage a healthy exchange of creativity. Create a nurturing community. To champion a community of empowered actors. Governed by professionalism. Guided by humanitarian values. In solidarity with other organizations within and outside the creative industry. With our stories, we act to transform ourselves in our country. So help me God. Welcome, new members, and congratulations.
Thank you, Chairman, and congratulations to all Actor PH new members. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Palakpakan nyo ang inyong mga sarili for that matter. Welcome. Masaya ito. Again, sabi ko nga kanina, you are in good company. Grabe, ang saya. Yung mga kabataan, pwede nyo akong lapitan kung kailangan nyo ng tulong, ha? Lalo yung mga kalalakihan na nakakailangan ng tips. Marami ako may tuturo. After all, writer, director din po ako.
Direct, live ka!
Nakakalimutan kong live ako. O sige, nako, eto na. Ayan naman, nagpipictorial sila. At habang yung iba naman, kitang-kita kumukuha ng Pilipinas sa Manila Craft. O, eto na muna, importante ito, ha? Habang nagchichikahan ng pipictorial, tatawagin na po natin ngayon to officiate the election of our new Board of Trustees from IGA, Direct Paolo Villaluna, and of course from Actor PH, Direct Marlon Rivera. Palakpakan naman po natin sila.
Hello! Sabihin ko sana, nalin lang ba kayo? Kasi nandito yung alien tsaka lin lang.
Hello.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. I would like to acknowledge the president of all the members here. I am Martin Rivera. I am part of the Actor Management Committee. So, we will go through the election of the board. This is a very simple election. Kasama namin ang Intergroup Alliance. This is Paolo Villaluna. Yes, in our first election, we always had the Intergroup to help us out. Like the actor, Intergroup was established during the pandemic.
Talaga live.
Safety nets, protocols, and to be represented during the pandemic. So, simple lang ito. And para magpag-inuman tayo, I would like to acknowledge first.
Welcome to Akto.
So, this is the...
Guys, mag-hi kayo dito. Live to. Yay. Ha?
We always want a...
Na habang nagla-live ako.
Body of the observer for the election. So, di ba kasi we have the IG.
Balikan kita.
Next slide. So this is the actor BOD elections for 2024. This is the board of directors. Next slide, please.
Gabi, tagal na
So,
kita.
ito lang kasi
Hi.
yung steps na to.
Sige, balikan ko kayo.
What are the open positions?
Oh,
Eligible to vote.
naka-live kayo. Hi!
So, just to be
Hi.
clear, yung binasa po na Google Drive ni Miss Isa Calzado kanina, hindi po kasalanan. Iba po yun. Iba po yung sinabasa niya kanina.
Kasi kinikidnap po si Grace eh.
This time, this is what qualifies you as
Sa balota na po siya. Balota.
and then of course, the process is very simple. We do it in the Google Drive.
Uy!
And then,
Ano na sinasabi mo dyan?
okay, next slide. So ito po yung outgoing natin na board members. So we're looking for 7 new board members. The board members, as a function in actor, what happens is we elect
Ala
them,
siya,
and
maayos
they
ka.
decide who they
Live to
like,
guys.
who they
Mag-hi
like.
kayo.
And they explore our management committee. So binibigay namin yung pagkakataon yun sa kanila. And of course, we always had
Arte ha. Di bagay.
an advisory board also for actor, no? We also have advisory boards. Ito yung mga nagtatrabaho. Ito yung mga nag-set up. But yung wisdom ay kinuhugot namin sa aming advisory board, no? So, ito yung outgoing. And then, next slide, please.
Ayan guys.
Of course,
Thank you for
kami yung,
watching.
vice
Live to.
we will not elect these people. We will just elect the 7 board members.
Diba? Thank you for watching.
Next, please. So, ganito lang ang proseso ng actor.
Hi, Mariel!
In actor, we believe that every member has the right to be a board.
We'll make the strategies, but we need your engagement, your commitment, and your cooperation for this to succeed. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, Ma'am Charo. Ang susunod po na gusto natin pakilala na nagpakita po ng willingness to be part of our advisory council in the board ay wala iba, kundi si Mr. Christopher. Brother po, De Leon. Sir, may we please invite you to say a few words sa ating buong community.
Yeah. Good evening. Congratulations. Oo. Sila na rin.
Actually.
Hindi na tayo tumagal dito. Kami na lang advisor. Anyway, yeah, this is sort of para sa atin, this is a must. We need this. As actors, we need to be united, especially sa ating bansa, no? Kasi medyo kalat-kalat tayo ngayon, right after the pandemic, yung sinasabi nitong we need to be organized. So, we have to help each other, and especially like cinema is not doing that well, but we have to be together to make this all work out well. So may our good Lord God bless this group. gabayan tayo sa ating mga dapat gawin para itong organisasyon na ito, itong actor organization ay maging patagumpay sa mga dapat natin gawin at sa susunod pa natin gagawin. Nilapitan ko ni Dingdong kung pwede daw ako maging advisor. Sabi ko, why not? I will do my best to be help for the industry na siyang bumuhay po sa akin at sa aking pamilya. So, paying forward, I will do anything for the group. Alright? Okay, thank you very much.
At siyempre, dalawa na po ang ating mga advisors na talagang willing tumulong at ako excited na po kung marinig din ang sasabihin ng ating pangatlong advisor. Ang tawag ko po sa kanya, Tatay Gustavo, pero ngayon meron na siyang bagong pamilya sagrado. Wala iba po kundi si Tirso Cruz. Dito, Pete!
Thank you. I will not take up much of your time. I'm sure tayong mga artista, pagka ganitong may okasyon, bihira mangyari ito na nagkakasama-sama tayo. Madalas nagkakagrupo-grupo tayo pagka meron lang tayong mga show o pelikulang ginagawa. But to have the opportunity to be together in a setting like this, and ang pinakamaganda rito, ang pinaka-importante is we're looking forward for the betterment of us actors and our industry and our craft. So, kami po magiging handa sa inyo katulad ng madalas sabihin ni Miss Vilma Santos, kapag kasi umabot kayo sa edad namin 36. Huwag naman yung pagtawanan. Parang pinagtatawanan. Hindi ba Ate Bisa po 36 ka lang? Oh. Ay, bakit kinokontra nyo? Sino ko kontra kay Ate Bin 36? Wala.
Pipo!
Bakit ako? Hindi ko kukontrahin yan eh. No, kidding aside, for us seniors, we'll always be here. Maaaring hindi ho kami nasa bahagi ng board, but as advisors, we will always be at your beck and call. At kung ano mang maitutulong namin, we will do our very best. Gaya na sinabi rin Mr. De Leon, let us really hold hand in hand to really bring back the golden days of Philippine movie industry. Andyan po ang streaming, pero iba pa rin po. Iba pa rin yung po, sabi nga nila, iba pa rin yung manunood ka ng pelikula sa big screen. Iba pa rin po ang dating nun. It's not just watching a movie, but it's a community affair, sabi nga nila. So, thank you very much for considering me to be an advisor, and I hope I will be a good one at it. Thank you.
And to complete the lineup sa ating pong advisory council, ito, wala pong iba kung hindi si Ma'am Vilma Santos. Let's go! Sigaw mo palakpakan. Inang Ate V sa ating lahat.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Marami na pong nagsalita dito bilang magiging mga advisor sa aktor. So, sa lahat po ng sinabi nyo, copy-paste. Seriously, siguro, I noticed yung mga advisors parang puro senior citizen, ano? Okay. But I will be honest, being more than 6 decades in this industry is no joke. Matagal-tagal na rin po kami dito. Boy, at kasama ka dito. Huwag kang mag-ano dyan tayo ito. 35. It's really hard to be 35 and gorgeous. But anyway, seriously, kami po ng mga senior ay marami ng pinagdaanan sa industriya. lahat ng mga leaders natin at mga nire-respeto ng mga senior stars noon, like the late king of Philippine movies, Fernando Poe Jr. Of course, nandiyan yung ating pong tinutunog ding ama ng industriya, si President Erap. Marami, the late Rudy Fernandez. Inabot na po namin lahat yan na marami ang sumubok na talagang pagtibayin ang ating industriya. Malaki po ang kanilang nagawa. Pero the way things are going, it's a different thing now. Teknolohiya na po ang labanan. Kami noon, manual, kanya-kanya. Do your thing, and then let's work together. But this time, kalaban na natin is technology. Kalaban natin is social media. And whether we like it or not, let's face it, the status of our industry now, movie industry, is not in a good position. And I guess, tama po yung sinabi ng iba, what we need now is really teamwork. In order for us to work as a team, binanggit po kanina ang daming iba't ibang kasing organization. But the way things are going, correct me if I'm wrong, parang kanya-kanya. Ditong grupo namin, ditong grupo namin. I think at this point in time, it's about time we work as a team. We are one family in this industry. So, sana po, this is just the start. Actor is only 3 years old. When I was talking to my inaanak, si Ding Dong, and I was telling him, Ding Dong, 3 years old pa lang ang aktor. So, ang dami nating pangarap for this organization. Binanggit mo lahat yan kanina, the mission and vision. And the mission and vision ng aktor ay hindi madali. Hindi po madali. But I think with the help of each and every one, we can do it doable and workable. If we will just give our own little contribution and really put and serve from our heart to really save the industry. I think, I guess that's the most important thing. Sana po, this time, I will be honest enough, kung kausap ko yung inaanak ko, he's the chairman. Sabi ko nga, pillar ka eh, ikaw ang nag-umpisa. At kaya kita hinahangaan, inaanak. Because I can see, isa ng matagal sa industriya, driven ka eh. You know, what we need now is new blood, bagong dugo. And we seniors are here to support you. Please don't hesitate. Anything we can do to be of help, please don't hesitate. We will always be here for you. Okay? So, sa mga new blood natin, huwag kayong mag-alala. Basta't mag-solid lang tayo, nagkakaintindihan tayo, tamang programa para sa lahat ng tiga-industriya. Don't hesitate because we will give our 100% support. You know why? For us senior stars, this is our payback time. Kung anong matutulong namin, payback time. Nandito kami para sa inyo. Okay? So, let's just continue. I think sa status ng ating industriya, I'm very, very positive. Mabubuhay natin ito. Mabubuhay natin ito sa pagtutulungan natin. Let's continue to work as a team and let's continue to work as a family. Kasi, kung hindi tayo kikilos, sinong kikilos? Kung hindi ngayon, kailan pa? Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay ang aktor!
Ninang ko yan!
So, lahat na po ba kayo ay merong balota?
Patangas tayo!
Ha? Sino wala pa? Ay, may wala pa din dito. Wala pa dito.
Yeah, again, 7 names.
Bye! Thank you
Of
for
course,
watching!
pwede nyo pa rin iboto yung
Thank you
7
for
board members na
watching.
nakita nyo kanina.
Ang salita ay isa sa mga matatawag nating sariling atin. Mula sa angkan ng mga artista, unang sumabak sa mundo ng pinilakang tabing, ang ating bisita ngayong araw sa murang edad na 14 years old. Sa kanyang mahabang karera bilang aktor, bilang Prince of Action ng Philippine Cinema.
Sa kanyang pagtungtong sa mundo ng politika, ng mahalal bilang #1 senator noong 2022, hindi nagmaliw, bagkus lalong tumindi ang kanyang pagmamalasakit sa ating mga kapwa niyang aktor. Bilang lingkod bayan, isa siya sa nangunguna sa pagtataguyod ng karapatan ng ating mga kapatid sa industriya ng telebisyon at pelikula. Siya ang tumitindig bilang ating sandigan maging sa personal at profesional niyang kakayanan.
Kaya mga kaibigan, kinararangol po namin ipakilala Senator Robin Hood Robin Padilla.
Pwede rin. I have, darling ko. Thank you. My pretty goodbye.
A'udhu billahi minasyaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillah rabbil alamin. Bismillah wa salatu wa salamu ala Rasulillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pagpa sa inyo pong lahat, hinahatid ko po ang kapayapaan at awa at pagpapala ng Panginoon Diyos. Alam nyo, di pa natatanggal ko to. Parang nakatape eh. Thank you po. Una, gusto ko po munang magbigay pugay kay Ma'am Charo. Itong gabi na to, lahat ng idol nandito. Si Sir Christopher De Leon, boss. Magandang gabi po, Ma'am Sandy. Si Tito Pip. Nawawala si Tito Pip. Tito Pip. Ate D. Ma'am Boots. Siyempre sa Reyna ng pelikula ng Pilipino. Mga kapatid ko sa industriya, ito na po ang pinakamasayang araw para sa akin. Gabi pala. Sapagkat ang kasama ko, mga taga-pelikula. Ito yung mga oras na hindi mo kailangang...
Jasmine.
Sa totoo lang, dapat pupunta ako dito, naka-t-shirt lang ako. Ang kulit lang ng boss ko eh. Sabi, kailangan magsuot daw ako ng ganito. Pero sa totoo, alam niyo, napakasarap pakinggan ng mga talumpati, lahat ng mga sinasabi, ng ating mga advisor. Totoo yun. Ang tagal na nito, panahon pa to, ng hari ng pelikulang Pilipino, na minana pa ni The Boy, pinsan ko. Ang tagal na ng pakikibaka para sa pelikula, para sa mga artista. Pero bakit parang bahagi siya, parte-parte, hindi natutuloy-tuloy? Kasi wala po tayong political power. Ang hinihingi ko pong matagal na, at ang kulit-kulit ko na kay Sir Dingdong, patawarin mo ako, boss, kung makulit na ako sa'yo. Lagi kong sinasabi na sana magkaroon ka rin ng party list. Napakahalaga na merong nagre-representa ng mga artist. At pagka sinabi mong artist, hindi lang yan isang lugar. Buong Pilipinas, maraming artist. At sana, alam nyo, gusto ko munang batiin siyempre si Tito Leo Martinez. Tito, boss, kung napanood nyo po yung video ni Tito Leo Martinez, wala na pong pinakamagandang video na mapapanood tayo na nagsasalita ang isang artista at pinaglalaban ng isang artista ang karapatan ng mga artista. Palakpakan po natin si Tito Leo.